Hi, this is Mrs. M with the Janitorial Spot. Today we're going to talk about what if you're asked to be a subcontractor for a prime. So a prime is the company that actually has the obligation with the client. And they are looking for a subcontractor, just as you look for subcontractors to provide services. Say if you do not provide carpet services or floor services, you're actually looking for a subcontractor. You're asked to become a subcontractor. Is this a good idea or not? Yes and no. Yes, if you make sure that you look over the contractor agreement that they're providing. Normally they provide it for you. So they will spell out the terms and conditions on what is needed and necessary for you to be a subcontractor for them. The normal rate is 80% to the sub and 20% to the prime. So that's 80-20. That's not the rule, but that's the normal rate. But make sure you feel comfortable with the subcontractor agreement. Read over it. If you need to have someone to look over it, make sure you do. And secondly, check to make sure the terms provide if you have to self-perform or if you're allowed to have employees provide the services. Self-perform means the actual contractor agreement means you have to provide the services, not your subs, not your employees, but you yourself. Now, they may have it where you are, as the owner, allowed to work along with your subcontractors or along with your employees. But check out the words, the verbiage. If it says self-perform, normally they want you to perform the services yourself. Hopefully, you will have a fantastic relationship with your prime, and it's a really great way to get your foot in the door when it comes to how to get started in the cleaning business. A lot of times you can become the actual subcontractor to a prime, and that's also true with government contracts, mainly true with government contracts, because you have to have similar scope of work to do an actual project on your own. So if you want to get your foot in the door and get some experience, work as a sub. Just make sure you understand what the financial and the terms and agreements are before you get started. I hope this was helpful to you. Please visit us at www.thejanitorialspot.com or give us a call at 1-800-601-2730, extension 106. And if you have any questions you'd like to submit, please sign up for our newsletter, and this will actually have you in the position to be able to submit questions, and we will actually air them on our YouTube videos. We're going to start a new series called What's Your Question? So if you have any questions, make sure you submit them by signing up to www.thejanitorialspot.com and just sign up for our weekly dose of free business information, and this will entitle you to submit any questions you may have, and hopefully we'll get to them soon. Have a fantastic day.